Hi everybody, I'm Lian Duan. Today we are going to talk about rollback Helm Chart release in Kubernetes Cluster. The topic I'm going through in these videos are rollback Helm Chart release, how to retrieve Helm Chart release content. First topic, rollback Helm Chart release. If you have upgraded a Helm chart, but later realize that there is an issue with the new version, you can roll back to previous version of the chart. Let me open my terminal, log into my Kubernetes box. If you didn't create my app config chart release yet, please click below link to my previous class, create my app config chart version v1 and upgrade my app config chart to version v2. After that, you have baseline for rollback Helm chart release class. First, use Helm list command to find the name of current Helm release. Also, Helm ls same function as Helm list. If you have more than one naming space, binary parameter will retrieve all the release crossed naming space. Kernel release of chart. The release chart name is myappconfig. Second, use history command to find the current revision number. Command is helm history plus release name. There are two revision numbers, revision 1 and revision 2. Based on the description, revision 1 is install, revision 2 is upgrade. Revision 2 is current version. My target version is revision 1. Next, rollback. Command is helm rollback plus release name and revision number. Latest revision is 2. We try to back to revision 1. Command is helm rollback release name plus 1. Rollback successed. Latest, check the history again. Command helm history plus release name. For every chart upgrade or rollback completed, the revision number is increased. For example, if I start with version 1 and perform an upgrade, then new revision number is 2, and then I run a rollback to revision 1. The rollback version is a version 1, but revision number is 3. How to rollback? Use original kubecontrol command. Same function as Helm. Rollback command in kubecontrol, rollout, undo, deployment, /release, or you want to roll back to specific version, the command is kubecontrol, rollout, undo, deployments, /release name, and -2, revision, and revision number. If you're not familiar with the rollback command in kubecontrol, please click below link to get more detail. Second topic for today, how to retrieve Helm chart release content. Helm is able to roll back to previous version because Helm stores release content in secret of Kubernetes. How to retrieve it? First, use the command get Helm secret name. Command is kubecontrol get secrets plus many all naming space and parameter owner equal to Helm. There are 3 records for each release, mapping to revision from 1 to 3. Kube get secret plus secret name and minor o plus JSON format is able to retrieve secret content. There is a release content under the data. The content is base-16 encoding and zipped format. The above command is able to decoding and unzip the release data. Let me run the command to retrieve revision 2 data. Result in here. App version v1 can't ConfigMap. My data is name, my app config. Data has 2 parts, username Lian, version is v2. That content equal to my config app v2 chart. Helm is able to the content, rerun and roll out to previous version. All topics completed. Today we learned how to roll back Helm Chart release and deep dive how to retrieve a Helm Chart release content. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was help. And it was, do not forget to like it. If you want to be notified whenever a new video comes out, then subscribe my channel. If you have any questions or something was not clear in the video, please post them in the comment section and I will try to answer it. Thank you and see you in the next video.